Hello everybody, and once again welcome to Pankaj Sir's Echelon Tutorials. In this today's session, we are going to deal with a question, and this question is taken from International Mathematics paper 0607, and this is October-November 2024 paper, and the paper number is 41, that is paper 4, version 1. And this is the question that we want to do today. Now the question says that there are 49 students in a year group. Each student studies at least one of the sciences, biology, chemistry, and physics. And then all this information he has given. X students studying all three sciences, Y students studying chemistry only, 12 students studying physics only, 6 students studying biology and chemistry but not physics, 11 students studying biology and physics but not chemistry, and 2 students studying physics and chemistry but not biology, and 25 students study only one science. This is the information given, and you have to answer these questions. Number one is show this information on the Venn diagram. So whatever information is given in the question, that you are supposed to show it on the Venn diagram, and that carries 2 marks, and that I have already shown here. Okay, and how I have done it, I'll tell you. The number of students who have taken all the three sciences, okay, will always come in the center. That is the common intersection region of the three sets. And that is why this X I have written over here. This X has been written over here, right, in the center. Then Y students study chemistry only. Now for chemistry only, this is the region, okay. Now where my cursor runs, that is the region indicating only chemistry. So I have written Y over here, right? Then 12 students study physics only. Now this is the region indicating that these are the students who are studying only physics, okay, this region. So I've written 12 over here, right? Next is 6 students study biology and chemistry but not physics. Now biology and chemistry, the region is this one. This is for biology and chemistry. But if you remove physics from this, then this will be the region remaining, okay. And that region is telling that there are 6 students. So 6 I have written here, right? 11 students study biology and physics but not chemistry. So biology and physics, this is the intersection of biology and physics. And if you don't include chemistry, then this is the place for that, okay. So 11 I will write over here. So this is 11 indicating the students studying biology and chemistry, biology and physics but not chemistry. Then finally it says 2 students studying physics and chemistry, not biology. So physics and chemistry, this is the intersection of physics and chemistry. And if you remove from this biology, okay, this is the space remaining. So this space will be occupied by 2 students, right? So 2 I have written here. Fine. So I have filled up all the information, and moreover he is saying that 25 students study only one sciences. Now this particular statement you have to understand properly. 25 students study only one sciences. The meaning of this is, if you total this only physics, only chemistry and only biology, the students studying only physics, only chemistry and only biology, then that total has to be 25. That is the meaning of this. 25 students study only one sciences, okay. Now with this information, let us try to answer this question. So the very first question I have already answered for you. Show this information of the Venn diagram, and on the Venn diagram I have showed you the information by putting in the values. Next question, question number 2 is find the number of students who study all the three sciences. That is, we have to find out this X, right? Because X is indicating the number of students who study all the three sciences. But now you will have to understand, to answer all these questions, you should know certain concepts of these sets, okay, particularly when three sets are overlapping. What are the concepts? So one by one I am going to tell you the concepts, okay. Now according to this question, okay, the first thing that you have to find out is what is the total number of students who are studying all the three sciences. And these three sciences, the student number of students studying three sciences is nothing but X, okay. So first you should know one thing, that whenever three sets are there, three sets are given to you overlapping, then this the internal numbers, okay, of these sets, okay, so all the numbers inside this C, inside this P, and inside this B, these three, if you sum up, that is known as the union of the three sets, okay. So the union of these three sets is always given by adding up all these numbers. Now mind you, here there should be some number which we have not decided right now, we don't know it, okay, and this y is also not known to us, this x is also not known to us. So all these numbers we have to decide and put in, okay. But what I am trying to tell you now is, first thing that you should know is that the 49, okay, now this 49 is the union. Now here there is a universal set 49, and because here there is a zero number of students over here, that is none of the students are such who are not studying neither physics nor chemistry nor biology, okay. So such number of students you don't have any, okay, so there is zero number of students. So therefore the union of these three, P, C and B, will be equal to 49 only, right? So first thing you should know is the 49, that is the union, will be equal to, now this union can be found out by adding this thing 12y and this, okay, these three places if you add up, plus all these places, okay, 2, 6, x and 11. So when you do this, you get union, okay. So union is 49. 49 will be equal to, now I told you this 25, okay, this 25 is nothing but this y plus 12 plus this, okay. So together I am taking that as 25, right? So these three places I have already added now, okay. Plus now I have to add these internal numbers, okay. So it will be 2 plus 11 plus 6, 2 plus 11 plus 6 plus x, okay. Now this is the equation you get. From this you can always calculate x. So this will give me 49 equals to 25 plus 2 plus 11 plus 6 happens to be I think 25 plus this is 19, okay, 11 plus 6 plus 2 is 19, and plus x, okay. So 49 equals, now 25 plus 19 happens to be how much? 19 plus 25 is 44 plus a x. So this gives me x equal to 49 minus 44 is 5. So I get x equal to 5. So the first question, the answer I have got. I mean the second question. Find the number of students who study all the three subjects of science will be x equal to 5. Okay. So 2 marks for this, 2 marks for Venn diagram. Now let us try to understand and try to find out this answer to the third question. The number of students that study biology only is 2 times the number of students who study chemistry. Now this is very important. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is the number of students studying biology is equal to 2 times the number of students studying chemistry. This is read in set theory as n of B is equal to 2 times n of C. N of B is the cardinal number of the set B and n of C is the cardinal number of the set C. Set B is the number of students studying biology. Set C is the number of students studying chemistry. Now, this 12, why this number 12 is indicating the number of students studying only physics, okay. So you should not mix up this 12 with this number over here, okay, that is n of p, okay. So n of p is different, n of b is different, n of c is different, and only p is different, only b is different, only c is different, okay. So that first of all you should know. Now what I will do is I will try to find out what is n of p. So n of p, that is number of students studying physics, will be equal to, now this n of p you can get by adding this 12, that is only physics, plus all these three numbers associated with this set P. Okay, so 12 plus 2 plus 11 plus x, that will give me n of P. So n of P will be equal to 12, that is only physics, plus this 2 and 11, so plus 2 plus 11, plus this x. Now x we have already found out to be 5. So let us take that value 5. So when you add up these three, you get 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 11, 28, 25, and 25 plus 5, 30. This is how you get n of P. This n of P, I'm telling you, is different from this only P. Okay. The number of students studying only physics is 12. And the number of students studying physics is 30. So in this 30, these three are also included. This 3 means 11, 2, and this 5 are also included. So 12 plus 11 plus 2 plus 5 is the number of students studying physics. And this, if you want, you can write it over here on the set. 30. Got it? So this is the way you have to find out the n of P. And now let us try to find out n of C. Now n of C will be equal to the number of students studying chemistry. Okay. So that will be equal to the number of students studying only chemistry, which is equal to y. Okay. Plus these three numbers associated with that C set. Okay. That is 6, 2, and x. So add 6, 2, and x is 5. So we add 5. Now this will work out to 6 plus 5, 11 plus 2, 13 plus y. So I am getting n of C is equal to 13 plus y. See, I am getting n of C in terms of y. Let it be. We have to find out y, and we will find out y. Now, n of B, that is the number of students studying biology. Now this should be equal to this particular number, which we don't know, we don't have information about it, plus this 6, 11, and x. But then this is not going to help us. But this is going to help us. Can you see this? N of B is equal to 2 times n of C. Right? So using this, you will get n of B equal to 2 times n of C. We have just found out it is 13 plus y. So it will be 2 times 13 plus y. So I have found out now n of P, n of C, and n of B. Okay. Now what I will do, the third thing that you should know about this three overlapping set is the cardinal number of physics union chemistry union B will be equal to number of students studying physics plus number of students studying chemistry plus number of students studying biology minus number of students studying physics and chemistry minus number of students studying chemistry and biology minus number of students studying physics and biology and plus number of students studying all three, physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay. So this is a general law associated with three overlapping sets. So this is read as n of P union C union B is equal to n of P plus n of C plus n of B minus n of P intersection C minus n of C intersection B minus n of P intersection B plus n of P intersection C intersection B. Got it? Now this portion we know it is 49. This number of students studying physics we know it is 30 plus n of C we know it is 13 plus y plus n of B we know it is 13, 2 into 13 plus y. So I'll open the bracket and write 26 plus 2y minus n of P intersection C. Now this is what? Minus n of P intersection C. So P intersection C is this region. Okay. 2 plus x. So 2 plus x is how much? X is 5. So it will be 2 plus 5. So it will be minus 7. Then C intersection B will be how much? C intersection B will be 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. So I'll do minus 11. And then minus of P intersection B. P intersection B is 11 plus 5. So 11 plus 5 is how much? 11 plus 5 is 16. Minus 16. Now what is left? This one. This is n of P intersection C intersection B. This is indicating nothing but the number of students studying all the three sciences, which was X, the number which we got as 5. So I'll write plus 5. This is nothing but 5. This is 49. Okay. So after substituting all these values, I get this particular equation. Now, from this equation, let us see if we can find out y. So first, let me take this 2y and y, and let me write 3y over here. Now, these numbers I am going to add one by one. 30 plus 13 is 43. 43 plus 26 is 43. Plus 26 is how much? Let me use my calculator. 1 second. Yeah. So 30 plus 13 plus 26. This I am getting as 69. Okay. Then I have this minus 7 minus 11 minus 16. So minus 7 minus 11 minus 16 is working out to minus 34. And then I have this plus 5 also. Okay. Now this will work out to 49 equal to 3y. Now 69 minus a 34 plus a 5 is equal to 40. Can I write here 40? Okay. Now this 40 I'll take on this side. So 49 minus 40 is equal to 3y. And this means that my 9 is equal to 3y. And this means that my y will be equal to 9 upon 3, which is equal to 3. So this gives me the answer for y. And this y was nothing but, see in the Venn diagram, the y is nothing but this particular region, which is nothing but indicating only chemistry. So I got the answer for this particular question, that is, find the number of students who study chemistry only. So for that, the answer is 3. Okay. So this y equal to 3 is only chemistry. Right. So for that, it was carrying 2 marks. So we got these 2 marks as well. Now we have to find out the number of students who study biology only. Okay. So once you know y, now you can find out the number of students studying biology. So this is that set of biology. And now let us try to find out what will be this only biology. Okay. So first let me find out what will be the number of students studying biology. Okay. Now this is equal to twice the number of students studying chemistry. Right. So this will be 2 times. Now what will be the number of students studying chemistry now? So students studying chemistry will be equal to y plus 2 plus 6 plus x. So y just now we got it as 3. So it will be 3. This is 3. Okay. So your number of students studying chemistry will be 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 5 is how much? 11 plus 5 is, I think, 16. Am I right? Yeah. 1 second, let me check. Yeah, it has to be 16. Okay. So, okay, let me do one thing. Yeah. So 2 times number of students studying chemistry. Okay, so chemistry will be, only chemistry was 3. So 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 5 is 16. Okay, so number of students studying chemistry will be 16. Okay, fine. So this gives me n of b equal to 16 times 2 is 32, right? So this is the number of students studying biology. But we want to find the number of students studying biology only. So if you want to find out that, from 32, you will have to subtract these 3. Okay. So now can I write here P of C we got as 16. So I'll write 16 on the chemistry set. And number of students studying biology is twice that of chemistry. So 32 I'm going to write on this set. And this particular number, okay, if you want this 32, from 32 you will have to subtract the sum of these 3, that is 6, 11 and 5. So 6, 11 and 5 taken away from 32 will give me only biology. Only biology will be equal to 32 take away 6 plus 11 plus a 5. Okay, check it. Yeah, 6, 11 and 5. So this will work out to 32 minus, now 6, 11 plus 5 is how much? It is 11 plus 11, 22, right? So 32 minus 22 is 10. So I get the number of students studying biology only equal to 10. Okay. So for this also I got the answer. For only biology, the answer is 10. So my answers I'm going to write here. The first one is, you have to show on the Venn diagram which I have shown over here. Okay. Let me write here this I got just now as 10. Okay. Y also I've written I got it as 3. Okay, good. And X is 5, we got it. So my answers are the one that I'm going to write in red. So X is equal to 5. That was the first answer I got. Second was for this, the number of students studying chemistry only, that is Y. This I got 3. And the number of students studying biology only, I got it as 10. So these are my 3 answers. This was a little lengthy, but this is how you have to deal with this type of question. So this was a question which I wanted to explain it to my students, and I think I have done it in a way that you must have understood now. And if you want, you can take the screenshot of it. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you for being with me.